Howdy out there, YouTubers. Roger with the Gateway Cycles back at you again here from cold Mount Sterling, Kentucky. Just got back from a rather chilly test ride and I had a machine I wanted to go over with you. Got a 2018 Kawasaki Concours. This is a wonderful machine, fantastic handling, common used as a police motorcycle, and I can see why. Let me give you a walk around on this thing. Puts out about 155 horsepower. We're at 1,300 and some odd cc's. Plenty of saddlebag storage, nice swept back exhaust, beautiful fairing design on this machine. Got anti-lock, traction control. This thing's loaded, guys. Heated grips. And let me give you a shot of the dash here. Nice looking dash on this machine. I'm going to fire it up here and let you guys hear it a little bit. Nice, smooth all the way through the entire range. I did test this thing out a little bit. Wonderful machine. Come on down here to beautiful Mount Sterling and check out Gateway Cycles and check this machine out for yourself, or check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. That helps us get more videos out to you. Thanks for watching, YouTubers.